Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Forgive the mess. I am in the shop and going to be drilling a hole in a Marx 666. This is that $8 666 that arrived. It was missing the bell, so I went through my parts and I found a bell that will work. As you see, it's far from perfect, but it'll work. So I've got to drill a hole where the old bell has been snapped off. Originally it was swedged into this hole, or actually it looks like it may have been cast integral to it and just broke off. It could have been dropped. In any case, I need a hole there. Anything I surface mount is going, any side load at all will snap it off, regardless of what kind of epoxy I use. So I've got to drill a hole in this. So I figured I would do a video, since I'm actually getting ready to drill this hole and mount this bell. So just going to eyeball this. Trying to hit the center of where the original bell was. It's going to be difficult to do this. So we got the hole. Now, just a matter of seeing if it will fit the bell. And it's slightly too small. So there's a couple ways to address that. You can use really small files and just chase around the inside. Or you can use a tapered reamer, which is much, much faster. You just have to be careful. This is really thin pot metal. So you just ream it a little bit and then see if your bell will fit. And it does. So a drop of epoxy and I've replaced the bell on the 666. Far from perfect. I don't even know what it's off of, but it's definitely an old bell. So I'll just put a drop of epoxy on that and then just lightly spray it black. So I just want to do a quick video, really simple way to replace a missing bell. Drill a hole, find one that's off some other engine, and now it'll be below flush and you've got something to actually epoxy to. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.